In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashlane to remember your passwords. Dashlane is a fantastic tool for managing your passwords, and today we're going to walk through the steps on how to efficiently use it to ensure your online accounts are secure and easily accessible. First, begin by navigating to the Dashlane dashboard. If you're not familiar with the dashboard, it's the central hub where you can manage all your stored information. Here you can see all of your saved data like passwords, notes, and more. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all your features and tools. Once you're at your dashboard, find and click on the Logins section. This area is where all your stored passwords are kept. It's organized and easy to navigate, making it simple to find a particular login. If you have multiple accounts, you can use the search function to quickly find the one you wish to access. Next, choose the password you want Dashlane to remember. Selecting this will open up options regarding that specific account. This feature not only helps in accessing your passwords, but is also beneficial for updating any information related to it. After choosing the desired login, hover over and click on the three-dot menu to explore more settings. This menu appears next to your selected password and gives you additional options. It's handy for managing account specifics like sharing or editing. Now, click on Share from the expanded menu. This feature is particularly useful if you need to share access to an account with someone else securely. Rather than sharing the password over email or text, you can leverage Dashlane's secure sharing feature. In the section that appears, input the email address of the individual you want to share this password with. It's crucial to enter the correct email address to ensure the information reaches the intended recipient. Double check for any typos here. To add a new contact, simply click on the Add New Contact button and then proceed by clicking Next. This part of the process allows you to manage who you share your information with efficiently. Keeping track of shared contacts is essential for maintaining secure communication. Once you've added your contact, you'll have an option to choose the level of permission you wish to grant them. This flexibility is one of the strong suits of Dashlane. You can decide whether they'll just be able to use the login or if they can also see the details. This ensures that you can control how recipients can interact with the information. Finally, click on Share to complete the process. The recipient will now have access to the login credentials according to the permissions you've set. This feature, in combination with Dashlane's robust security, offers peace of mind knowing that your information is both accessible and well protected. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently use Dashlane to remember and manage your passwords, making your digital life a bit easier and more secure. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.